how to watch YouTube and use other apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you how you can watch YouTube and also use other apps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I get what you're talking about. Let's say you want to watch YouTube, you open the YouTube app and then you just open a certain video here, and then you want to minimize the video, and at the same time you also want to keep using other apps like this. So let me show you how it's done. So first of all, for this process to be possible, you need to basically have YouTube Premium. So as you can see, I have YouTube Premium. If you don't have it, you can watch our other video and get it. There are also other ways to get it without YouTube Premium if your phone has a split view screen. So if your phone actually supports split view, you can swipe to the recent menu, tap on it, and then you can tap on split screen here, and then you can choose the other app that you want to use, and then you can actually use YouTube while using other apps. So this is a split view feature which is available in all our Android or iOS devices. Now the other type of feature is, let me show you. You want to open up YouTube. As I said, you need to have Premium. Tap the profile icon here, go to settings, then just go to general option. Under general, go to picture in picture and make sure that this is set to allow. After you've done that, relaunch the YouTube application, select a certain video here, and now just go ahead and then basically minimize it, and now you can use other apps. This way you can use YouTube and use other apps. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.